This is Gunnar Brown, president and co-founder of Guardian Window Well Covers. Today I want to talk a little bit about when you purchase a Guardian Window Well cover, what's going to come in the box, right? So let's look at the hardware that you're going to get in the box, and let's talk a little bit about the tools you're going to need to install the cover. First thing we're going to see is we need to take a look at the 3/16 inch concrete drill bit. Okay, this is going to be for attaching the cover to the home. You're going to receive a 5/16 driver socket to attach. Whether you're going into the wood or you're going into concrete, you're going to receive some Tapcons and you're going to receive some wood drilling screws. You're going to receive button head rivets. You're going to receive dual lock fasteners, another fancy term for an outdoor Velcro to keep the cover down in high winds. You're going to receive a 3/16 drill bit to get through the polycarbonate and the metal if needed. You're going to receive some anchor screws, and last but not least, you're going to receive some general purpose clips. Now, the things that you're not going to receive, the tools that you're going to need to install the cover, you're going to need a hammer drill, you will need a rivet gun, and you'll need a tape measure. And these are all the things it's going to take to install your Guardian Window Well cover.